Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you installation, how to use and review of Robot Vacuum Mop P after 1 month of usage. And you must be wondering why I'm doing this video when there is ton of other videos on the same product on YouTube and other platforms. It's because most of the videos they don't have 4 dogs in their house, 2 mastiffs and 2 boxers. When the shedding season starts, most of the pet owners keep searching what they can do. People who want to buy new pets, 90 minutes daily to clean the house. And cleaning once is not enough when your dogs or pets are shedding. Let it be cats or dogs. So automation is the best way to move forward and save your time and make it more useful and wise. So I bought this product a little late, but I will show you how good it has been for me. Now let's go through the box contents and vacuum mop accessories. First we have the vacuum cleaner itself, the Robo, and we have a charger with adapter. We have dust compartment with a water collector which can be used for both vacuuming and mopping. We have a mop pad holder and a mop pad. We have brush and a brush holder, and we have another dust collector which is just used for just vacuuming. And we have 2 side brush, a warranty card and a manual. That's it for the contents from the box. Now let's start with the installation. Flip the Robo, install the brush and its brush holder as shown in the image. Take side brush, fix it. Take mop pad, install that too. And now flip it over. On the top side, remove this layer. Take the dust compartment with the mop one. You can add water here and make sure the pins are connected properly. On the right side, place it gently. You have a small brush. You can clean the dust compartment's filter with this. It's very useful. Secure it back. Close the top lid and install a smart app of Xiaomi Home app from this QR scanner. Let's start your Robo. Once you're done connecting the Robo to your app through Wi-Fi, open the app. You can select the modes if you want to leave mop or vacuum, and you can see the cleaning history and see how much time it takes to clean. And also you can select this vacuum along the edges or secondary cleanup if you want a second clean. And in the Y pattern mode it cleans much better, which is very useful. And you can also restrict the area in the maps, as I've already done. As you can see, the Robo has cleaned only the areas which I've selected. Even that is very useful. Now you can leave the Robo to work and get back to your work. You can watch the cleaning process go on and how much battery is left all the time. You can send it back to its dock to charge on its own. This is how it looks after it's clean. The vacuum is very good, but the mop isn't that great. Hope you enjoyed this video. So, is this Robo good enough for a home with 4 dogs, kid and 4 adults? Yes, it definitely is. It's a good buy and it has saved me a lot of time. Like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day everyone.